Greetings, everybody. Welcome back. It's MicheleMarieDalene. I got the new ears from Dimitri, and so we're going to compare old ears with new ears. There is a couple slight differences, and one of them doesn't surprise me because it never said they were painted. Originally, when I ordered these ears years ago from Dimitri, we had. Let me switch over to the camera so you can see it's better. You can see the ear. This is the original ears. Never mind the still ear glow on the back. These are the original ears, and they're pretty, still holding up pretty well. They're not perfect, but these are the original ears, and they I actually ordered the original extra thick and the originals. These new ears are available. I didn't. I bought these were fresh off the assembly line. So let's look at the new ears. Again, they're not painted, so if you put these in right now, they would look like you have horns instead of ears. But if you can see that they got the original resilience. They're not as floopy. Oh, well, they still are, but the only thing you need to do is get the special paint that they sell to paint these ears if you want to make them skin tone. But right now, if I put these on right now, which obviously I can't because I got other ears on, but put this, put against my skin, and you can see it. It definitely doesn't look like skin at all. It don't look skin. Doesn't look skin like. But these our ears are physically bigger than the Dalene ears. So let's talk about what's the advantage with these ears versus the Dalene. Only one. They're longer. That's really the only real advantage. The Dalene ears come with a variety of colorations, and you can also order it with different types of adhesive, like Spirit Gum. So these cost about the same price. From where you come now from, which is like Scotland's. These are more expensive ears. But yeah, it says postage paid from Scotland. So I think these ears look cute. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. These are the ears I've had for a long time. These originally were painted, and you can see that they are painted. Unfortunately, really pretty beat up. Compare these with the other new ears from Dalene. They're the same price per set, but you can see that these are 3 set are painted and these are not. So if you were to use these ears, you'd have to buy the appropriate paint for latex and paint them yourself. They certainly do feel similar to the quality that he made in Ukraine. So the quality has obviously been restored enough that you would probably be happy with those ears. You know, of course, they still smell like latex because they don't. So put them with the other ears so I have them. What I'll do is overall, nothing wrong with them. other than they're not painted, and it takes a while to order them from the UK. And but other than that, they look okay. Maybe not the greatest in the world, but compared to what was going on right after he fled the Ukraine, those were just totally poor construction. These look much better. So I guess that's it. The ears from Dimitri do look good. You just need to paint them. They don't come pre-painted, so that's the only thing. It might be a turnoff for some people. But for now, just wanted to show you them. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.